5 outdoor camping hacks that every camper should know, Part 7. Outcastland.com. Transform a simple dollar store pill storage container into a mini medicine cabinet for on-the-go remedies for all your common ailments. Needing to get somebody's attention? Find an acorn? Simply hold the acorn cap in between your fingers, as shown in our picture, and blow air into the empty space. The result will be a loud whistling sound. You'll be surprised how effective these little guys can be. Most people depend on their daily coffee to get them going every morning. And if you're not prepared on camping day, you can still grab a couple of coffee filters, pour in a few scoops of your favorite ground coffee, and tie it all together with a little bit of string, and you have an easy coffee on the go without the need of a coffee maker. It might seem simple, but having a separate pair of socks just for sleeping is a perfect remedy to all the dirt and grime, pine needles, whatever it is that you pick up on the trail or during your camping day. And having fresh socks sometimes is exactly what you need to feel comfortable at night and provide a little additional warmth. Keep those small ketchup and mustard packets that you get from your fast food restaurants, put them in a little container and bring them with you on your next camping trip. It's not only convenient, but it helps reduce waste by not throwing away perfectly good condiments. Thanks for checking out the video. Be sure to subscribe. Keep watching all of our other videos. Check us out on social media along with YouTube. We have Facebook and Instagram. And be sure to check us out at outcastland.com.